Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with actually a pretty good day trading recap. So I'm still in Clove. I still have very last small shares because I didn't want to add anymore because it's already time. It's around 7:50 a.m. here. I really can't trade more than that. My max is to 8 o'clock a.m. 'Cause I gotta prepare for work. Had to eat breakfast and work at 9. Yeah, so I'm still trading both. 904 is the average, somewhere here after the ad. So I started shorting it here. Actually, here I shorted it to open. It's a bit of a chase. That's why I decided I'll just stop out because this was a bit of a chase. I got a small good profit in there because that was a really high risk. I stopped out and then it's a good small profit, so I re-entered back. There you go, good nice profit. I added back here, stopped out the rest, reshorted, added, because I wasn't risking that much. I didn't want to give back, but I stopped out because I thought it's gonna squeeze back to VWAP. I thought it's gonna go back to 932 because there's an area here that probably can reverse back to VWAP and squeezes and go to 932 area, 930, which is somewhere here, the low of this area. And possibly, since it's a gap up stock, possibly maybe it reverse up. So after stopping out, I shorted it again. Mm, I show that's those are nice. Uh, it looks like it's gonna go, but my last share will be somewhere 855. I don't want to trade more than that anymore. Yeah, so I re-shorted it here after stopping out because it failed at VWAP. I thought it's gonna squeeze. It failed once here, it failed again. Twice it failed, then I re-shorted bigger, not that tight risk anymore. Took profit, just taking profit. This is all I need, this move, and that's it. And once my shares were almost gone, so I added again, and there you go. So I had to take profit wider because my shares was not that big anymore. So basically, I'm just playing around with my last shares. Yeah, it went great. Hit my goal today. Uh, Although yesterday was a tough day, today was great. Respecting stops like this one, if I didn't stop in here and then squeezes, could have been a really bad mistake again. I'll probably give back all my profit if I stop out somewhere here. Yeah, really good. And I just re-enter because you can always re-enter. Commission fees are not that expensive for IB. So I'm wondering if I should stop out because I see big orders here. So I'm wondering if it still can go 850. I feel like it's still gonna go to 850. Yeah, but before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel and let's watch. Yeah, I was gonna say this, but yeah, let's watch my trade. Follow me in my social media accounts. Yep. So as you can see here, I was mainly watching CLOV. Woke up really late. Really, I have like 10 minutes before the open, and I saw CLOV. It's one of the good movers actually. It has really high, not really high RVOL, but good enough RVOL. So let's play this. So there's one more MCRB, but I kind of didn't like that because it's down 50%, 60% actually. I didn't want to trade that. I just want to trade within 3 to 6% or 10% range. So there you go. Right away, it failed. My buy area is somewhere here. If it holds 950 area or 943, then I'm gonna probably look into taking it long. And I said if it goes 930 area, then I'll probably take it short. So it moved about 14 cents right at the bat in 24 seconds. So looking at this, it looks like there's a huge sell-off, but for a gap up stock, normally a huge sell-off at the first candle is normal, and it could probably, but it's below VWAP, so it could probably touch and then make an engulfing and then hit the 950 in here. There's some orders here 950, so that's possible that if you want to take it this short, there's a big potential as well that it can reverse back and hit 950 and squeezes. But the thing is, it's below VWAP. It's right within my range here, as you can see. And then I should have shorted it here for 1 minute or, but I was too late. So this was a kind of like a chase. That's why I was scared. And look at that stop. It's really, really tight. So I took profit in there right away. Not a big profit, but I said, okay, it's a chase. I don't want to do that. It could probably squeeze back to 932 and then 43. Then you will a lot, right? Because my risk was really, really high. So when I saw that it's kind of like having a hard time going back to 932, I see wicks here, 2 wicks. And then this is probably, yep, I was late a bit, but this is probably I should be entering for a short, maybe risk 930 area. There you go. I took profit in there. Up to profit. I see orders here, big orders. These are nice. These are really, really helpful, by the way. So new in DAS, this new update is good. So if you haven't updated your DAS, you should do it now. So it will help you if someone's waiting for large orders in there. It means the price will highly likely go there. Yeah, because these are the big orders that are just waiting for them to get filled. That's my understanding. So there you go. So that was a trade that I was looking for. Hit my goal at this point. If this was a good small profit added to this one, then yeah, it was good. So I was actually looking if it's gonna continue. If I feel like it's still gonna reverse back to 32, that's what I feel looking at this one, because there's a round number 9 here. It's still too early for it to go down. So I feel like it's gonna reverse back somewhere at 915. That's what I thought, or somewhere at my entry, and then reverse back. But it looks like it's probably heading that way because again, it's still too early for it to head back down. RVOL is about 196%, and it looks like I'm going to get stopped, which yeah, I did. So that was my average after the ad. I shouldn't have added because my average is somewhere at 922 area, I think. And if I didn't add, I could have stayed. I think could have stayed in that trade, and I should have added somewhere here 913. But seriously, I don't remember. I really can't remember what happened here. So I'm out of my position. I actually should have just stopped trading at this point, but still I retraded because I wanted more, because I felt like it's still weak. I felt the selling pressure at this area. There you go, I re-entered, but that's actually a chase, which is bad. And then but my stop was wider at this point, at this one. Sorry about that. It's 8 o'clock. Time for me to stop trading, which is, you know, or stop making recaps. Come on, password. So I added here because my risk was not that much. I still feel like it's still gonna go to $9 when it rejected here twice, but it made a higher highs, but still it's kind of struggling here. Previous day high, I think. Yeah, previous day high. This is previous day high. Yeah, so it's having a hard time at this price at 909. And I said, okay, since it's touches few times, I feel like it's gonna squeeze. That's what I felt. Average is 912. I'm gonna stop out 917. So that's like 5 cents. 5 cents only, which is okay. I gave back a bit of my profit, but it's fine. That was only a 5 cent move. So I re-entered there. Again, if I stop out in there, if I stop out here, I was telling myself if I stop out here, I'm probably just gonna stop trading. because that was like two stops already. I tried twice and I was patient here actually. See how many candles I waited. Oh. Yeah, that was the move. Yeah, that was the move. So just taking small partials, really small partials. I need probably 20 cents on this one, and then I'm in good position. At 7 cents away now. Just fast forward. So I see orders here. Yeah, I see orders. That's why I was like I felt like I need to hold. Fast forward this a bit. Took profit. Another profit. Okay, someone's every pop. Someone's selling. I feel that as well. If the stock is heading down, sometimes when it reaches a certain price, sometimes this black box kind of like pops up. So it means like that. See that? They're selling. It's not like there's they want the price to go up. They're just dumping in iceberg. I think they're dumping heavy size at every pop. Did you see that in there before? And this are just waiting for get filled. Like they want to buy on a good price. CLOV actually recovered really nicely on daily. So that's it. Let's fast forward this again. So average is 912. I'm almost out of shares at this point, and I said there's a $9 here, a round number. I said maybe I'll add somewhere at 905 because there's an order here at 906. Maybe that's where I add, but it looks like it failed right away at $9. If I add, my average will probably go down a lot because I don't have a lot of shares left. So there you go. That's the add. So 904 is the new average. Let's 905. Let's fast forward. So I took profit in there, and still they're showing up. That's a big bids. Okay, let's fast forward again. There you go. So after this, I was really out of shares. Sorry about that. I can't remember what I did. So yeah, I'm still holding really small shares. So at this point, I was done actually recording. So as you can see here, what's this? 121. So I have a few seconds left. I don't want to stop. Let's go back to my trade. One sec. Oh, it did not hit my range order. So I still have my last shares left. I can actually just close my trade here. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, it was great. I'm happy. Getting better. Yesterday was good. The other day was good. Just yesterday was ah, but I kind of recovered a bit at the close because I was trading it slowly. I think I shorted it before close. But it was good. Sorry, I'm really sleepy. I woke up 6:18. Market opens 6:30 here, so I have about 10-12 minutes to prepare. So what I did was I was just looking for round numbers, and I said if it goes above this 940 950 area, it's gonna go to 985, and there's another round number at 10, and it's probably gonna go somewhere at 1050 if it continues. But it was weak. I didn't even have levels at the bottom, as you can see, because I was kind of like long bias. But even though I'm long bias, I have like an area where I said I'm gonna short it if it touches some areas. So if you look here, I think somewhere here. So this is where I would want to short it. right? So that's like a major level, not major, but it's like a post market level that's actually really helpful for technical levels. So it's only a matter of point of entry, but if it kind of um holds that and then goes back to 950, and 950 is a round number, then it's gonna go to 985 and break the high of day high pre-market, which is somewhere at this point here. Probably break the $10, reverse back a bit. Probably gonna reverse back a bit. I mean, pull back, not reverse. Then go up. Yeah. So yeah, just levels, man. Seriously, I made it sound easy, but actually it's not. It's more in the psychology part when you're trading. Technicals are easy, but the matter, like the way you follow your rules and stick to your plans and not getting FOMO is tough. It's controlling your personality is tough. Yeah. So yeah. Um Nothing else to say. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates. And tomorrow's Friday. I wish I really wake up because I've been struggling to wake up every day. Really tired from work, and every after work at night I still have to go out. I need to get out because I've been working from home for almost 1 year, almost 1.5 years now. So I need to get out. I really tried, even though I'm really lazy. I still try to get out, and then that's like what, up to 9, 10 p.m. I sleep around 11. It's waking up at 6. That's less than 8 hours of sleep. Yeah, 7 hours of sleep is not that good, or 6 to 7 hours. I've been talking a lot. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for updates if you haven't, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow hopefully. Bye.